Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, welcome if you guys are new here. My name is Kathy. If you guys are into luxury, style, fashion, lifestyle, traveling, backpacking, hiking, and anything in between, please consider subscribing and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That would really help me a lot. As you can see on the title, yes, this is another unboxing and this is the Cartier Juste, Clou. And before we open this bag, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much to all of you who recently subscribed, and to all of my returning subby. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and to all of you who had joined my giveaway. It is officially closed. I am going to insert the winner on the description box below, and I will be reaching out to you. Again, thank you guys so much to everyone. And if you guys missed it, there's going to be more giveaways in the future. I would like to celebrate a certain milestone, and so yeah, so consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So this has been on my wish list and I was able to pick it up because I was able to save my money to pay for this. Originally I wanted to buy the Chanel earrings, and they were just so cute, but I had to tell myself I need to be smart when it comes to spending my money, because as much as the Chanel earring is super cute and adorable, I just cannot see myself spending so much money on costume jewelry. So I look at the other option, and you guys, before I open it, I just wanted to share you guys what I got from Etsy, and I would link everything down below the description box. So yes, I'm going to show you guys a Chanel inspired earring. It's kind of like a dupe, I guess. Take note that the Chanel earrings and most of their jewelry, they're not made of precious stones or metal, and so they're costume jewelry for so much money. I found this at Etsy for, I can't remember how much. I don't think I paid more than $30 on this one. Look at this cute little box. And this is, you guys, this is such an amazing piece. It's an earring. Of course, I've seen it. This is not really a true unboxing, but I haven't worn it, and I'm not wearing an earring because I wanted to show you guys what it looks. Such a cute piece. I'm just gonna move it close to the camera. So this one right here, it's so cute. Take a look at this, you guys. It's these CC earrings. Look at this, you guys. So cute. Again, this is a costume jewelry, but for such a cheap price, you guys. So cute. It is double-sided. As you can see, it is black on gold. Well, this is a gold plated with a little stud on the front, like a stud type earring. It's a dangly earring, probably about 1.5 to 2 inches length. But yeah, it's so cute. I'm going to put this on for you guys so you guys can see. Fast shipping, it took, I believe it only took about a week to get to me. I think it came from California. Okay, look at that, guys. So cute, so pretty. What do you guys think? It's so cute, right? So, and it's a Chanel inspired earrings. But then the point that I'm trying to make here is that when you buy these earrings at the Chanel boutique, it's gonna cost you a couple $100 to like sometimes over $1,000 for a. These are not precious metals. They're not real gold. They're all gold plated. They're not precious stones. So I'm like, you know what? I am not going to spend that much money on costume jewelry. So the money that I was able to save for this one, it went into this one right here. Okay, so on to the actual unboxing. So I picked up this Cartier ring. So I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside the bag. I picked this up in San Francisco, and I honestly have not seen it since then. It's just been sitting in the closet. I was saving it for this to film it so we can unbox it together. Gosh, such a pretty packaging. Look at this bag. It came with this pretty red glossy bag, and I'm gonna just put this down here. Bag is this really pretty box that has a jewelry cleansing solution, cleaning cloth, and a brush, on there, and the care booklet on there. Here is my receipt, and I don't know what this is. Oh, and my certificate of authenticity, and also she also gave me a travel pouch, which is so nice to have, you know, so that way when you're like traveling, like, you know, via plane, and you have to go to the security and you wanna, you know, just take your jewelry before you go in, and just put it in this travel pouch. It's a velvet. She has her business card on here, and here is the beautiful box. I love Cartier, you guys. I haven't bought jewelry in so long. I used to work at a jewelry store decades ago when I was in nursing school, and yeah, I just haven't been really like buying fine jewelry, just because I felt like I'm just really not wearing them. And since with COVID and everything, I started wearing them again. So anyway, we're gonna get into the beautiful items. Such a amazing box. It's super attention to detail, and right here is a little button, and it's a push button. It's gonna open on the top, and here is my beautiful piece, and it says in here Cartier, and there is the ring. So yeah, I picked out the Juste on Clou small. This is the thin version. I can't remember my size. I will insert it up here for you guys. And this is in rose gold, aka pink gold. So I picked out this ring because I thought, because it just suits my personality. I love items that are just different, stylish. When I purchased this, I actually did want it to go into my index finger on my right hand. Take a look at that. So cute. So cute. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So you guys, this is the basic one. This is not the one with the diamond, and this is like, again, this is the smaller, the skinnier version. This comes in gold, yellow gold, white gold, and some also comes in with diamonds. Of course, the bigger they are, and the, you know, with the diamonds, it is a little bit more pricey. So they retail from anywhere from $1,120 to $3,800. Mine is $1,120 plus tax. For the price point, I know it is a little bit much, but then again, this is a Cartier. This is a timeless, chic, classic piece. If you guys are not very familiar with Cartier, the Juste on Clou is a French meaning just a nail, and it was designed, I believe it was in 1970s. I think it was 1971. It was reintroduced in 2012, and they had since came out with different you know, like styles, like I said, you know, with diamonds, stuff like that. I love this. This is definitely, you can wear it as, you know, alone on here, or you can also stack it with other rings. As you can see, I am wearing a white gold ring, the pink gold, and I think that it looks so cute. I know some people don't like mixing their colors, their gold. I do. I love it. I think it's just so chic. And yeah, this is basically the final birthday gift that I got from me, for me. And I really wanted the love ring because it will match my bracelet, but I thought I really want that to be gifted to me by my husband or my kids. So, you know, I'm not in a rush. Like I said, you know, I started this luxury channel, and I wanted to just buy them when I can, when I'm able to have that extra bit of money, and that I can splurge a little bit. So like I said, it is not, I'm not in a rush. So that's going to be on my wish list. So you never know, right? But yeah, what you guys think? I hope you guys like it. I need to be smart with my spending, and so that just have to wait. I definitely want to add the Juste on Clou bracelet to go with this one. Alright guys, that did it for this video for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please follow me on Instagram and let me know how you guys like this one, if you guys own it. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.